Good day, parents and my tutor. My name is Angelica Rocío Restrepo Figueroa. I live in Imagué with my parents and my daughter, and I am a music teacher. I am in the ninth semester of bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. I like rock music and I like dance. And in this video, I am talking about the learning outcome 1. What is the purpose of the course? The purpose of the course is to strengthen my sociolinguistic, and pragmatic skills of a foreign language in my home, English, performing oral production tasks in real-time interaction groups. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? Learning outcome 1, demonstrate oral skills to express fluently and spontaneously about different cultural subjects for social or academic purposes. Learning outcome 2, discuss about controversial issues using pro or arguments to convince a counterpart towards a specific point of view. Learning outcome 3, interpret a sentence of speech even when it is not clearly structured and when relationships are only input and not signal specifically. Learning outcome 4, describe complex subjects with clear and detailed information, developing particular points and rounding off with appropriate conclusions. What are synchronous interaction activities? Synchronous interaction activities are those in which we participate in jobs or meetings in real time. How many activities does the course have? The course has 6 activities. Which activities in the course imply real-time interaction? In task 2, we must participate in 8 meetings where we will talk about the various cultures and academics activities. In task 3, you must participate in a debate to defend a controversial issue. In task 4, you must participate in a couple of interviews where we should talk about the C1 level exam. In task 6, where you must participate in an online meeting on an academic topic. Summarize with your own words the course rules and conditions. I must respect my colleagues, but in the forum and in the synchronous encounters. I must comply with the university's privacy and plagiarism policies and etiquette. My computer must meet the basic criteria of the UNAT. I must update my profile academic profile quality. I must comply with the meetings in real time as this course demands it. I must be aware of my firms, especially in the general one or in the internet, where they will present the meetings in real time. I must participate in the weekly mandatory meetings, being punctual and participatory. Is your institutional email working properly? Yes, my institutional email is working properly. Step 2. Have you got an English language level certification? If not, What do you consider your level is at present? In the advanced English correct this simulator test were at level B1. I consider that in writing and listening I am at a level, but since the speaking test was very simple, I think it was not enough, because I still do not feel so prepared to speaking in public. I always feel fear and nervous, and therefore I think my level would be A2 in speaking. How did you get the level you have now? To get to the level I am at, I had to practice, and I continue to practice as much as I can. Watching movies with English subtitles, listening to songs. I have not paid for a personalist course to advance faster because my income does not allow it. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? I am studying this career because I want to improve my income, and because I really like teaching. How is studying a language as an adult different from studying it as a child? There is very much. It is easier to learn a language as a child because at this age we are learning to speak our native language, and it would be more to add a second language because the same words are learned in Spanish and in English, and children learn by imitation. In adult, it is more difficult because we are already used to learning differently, and because we already have a large amount of Spanish vocabulary in our mind. But I think that the best way to learn a second language in adult is to live in it in the United States or Europe, instead of this native language, as we force ourselves to understand and communicate. How long should you study a foreign language? I think that person never finishes learning a foreign language. Every day we find more vocabulary, more ways of saying something, more expressions, but at least to be able to understand and maintain a conversation in English. The appropriate time could be 3 years or more. It also depends on the person, because not all of us learn and teach at the same speed as others. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? Working in bilingual schools, living in the native place of this foreign language, speaking with native people, and teaching anyone who wants to learn. How can you organize lifelong language learning? Okay, language learning can be organized with discipline, dedication, commitment, and perseverance. Thank you. I finished my video. Goodbye.